Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, in today's video, another review. Na-miss ko mag-review you guys and I was very excited to film kasi this is gonna be my first time to try Rusi's Vanity na makeup. So, I really like it kasi wala siyang amoy and super handy rin niya kasi super liit niya. Pero I'm not really sure how much this cost alone kasi nakuha ko siya on a set like kasama yung ibang Rusi's Vanity na makeup. So, I will flash the price right here. So yeah, let's see kung worth it ang Rusi's Vanity na makeup, you guys. I'm excited and I hope you guys are excited as well. So yes, let me take you to the application part. Your favorite part, my favorite part. Okay, let's start with the packaging, you guys. Nakalagay siya dito sa box and may nakalagay dito na 21 natural and I'm not really sure if yun yung shade niya kasi wala naman ako ibang pinagpilian dun sa website ng Lazada. Like, isang set talaga to nung nabili ko. So, yun. I'm not really sure about the shade. So yeah, it's just a pink box. Maliit lang siya, guys. Like isang dangkal. Halos isang dangkal lang. And then nakalagay dito, BB Cream Gleamy Whitening 5 Effect Skin Solution with UV Protection, Anti-Wrinkle, Whitening, Makeup Base, and Foundation. And it has 30 ml of product. Let's open. Hindi ako gaano mahilig sa pink, guys. Like, siguro yun yung pinaka-least favorite ko sa lahat ng colors. Pero yung ganitong pagka-pink ha, pero yung mga pastel pink gusto ko. But yung mga pink na ganito, medyo hindi ko bet. Sobrang liit. Liit niya pala, guys. Tingnan nyo. Ayan. Nakalagay lang sa packaging, Rusi's Vanity, and then yung binasa ko kanina, yung ingredients, made in Korea. So, the packaging is squeezable tube. Yeah. Ano, feeling ko ang liit lang ng laman nito. And then, plastic yung takip. Tingnan natin. Nakasil pa pala siya. The most satisfying feeling ever. Peeling. So, let me take you to the application part. May pimple ako, guys. Oh, padong siya, guys. Parating na siya. Kasi parating na rin si polka dot. Yung gagawin ko, guys, sa half of my face, I will use my fingers. Pero sa other half, I will use a sponge. Damp sponge. Take note, wala akong nilagay na primer or moisturizer. Walang nakapatong sa aking bilog na mukha. I see you, girl. I see you. Yung consistency niya, parehong-pareho sa eye white. So, for now, I will use my finger dito sa part na to. Wala naman siyang kiniklaim na nagtatagal ng ilang oras or nakakatakip ng pores or whatnot. So, tingnan na lang natin kung how well this works on oily skin. Kasi, kung bago kayo sa channel ko, I do have oily skin. Oh my God. Ang puti. Hala, ang puti. In fairness ha, natakpan niya yung under eye circles ko. Kasi yung Bello BB Cream, hindi niya natatakpan yung under eye circles or yung dark circles ko. Yeah, the first thing I noticed is medyo natakpan na yung dark circles ko underneath my eyes. And that's a good thing kasi hindi naman ako mahilig sa concealer. So, hindi ako naglalagay ng extra step for concealing my under eye circles. So, that's pretty good. I know hindi to makikita sa camera but natatakpan niya yung pores or na-minimize niya yung appearance ng pores. Compared to the other side, sobrang dami ng pores ko dito. Like, klarong-klarong pores. But dito, para siyang matakpan. Hindi siya super duper matte, like completely matte. Kinda dewy, as you can see here on my forehead, dito sa cheeks. Sa application naman using my fingers, madali naman siyang i-blend, guys. Wala akong problema sa pagbe-blend. Sa pagbe-blend, yung coverage niya, obviously, hindi niya natakpan yung mga acne marks ko, which is very hard to cover. Light coverage lang siya, guys. Like, you know, the typical BB cream na super light yung coverage, na even out lang yung skin tone mo, ganun lang yung coverage niya. Then, right now, I'm gonna use a damp sponge. Yung amoy niya nga pala, guys, like, super duper subtle lang. Mabango siya na hindi mo ganong maamoy. So, obviously, super dali lang ng pagbe-blend using the sponge. Like, siguro mga 10 seconds lang na-blend ko na agad. Pero coverage-wise, you guys, wala namang difference. Like, coverage-wise, guys, similar lang yung effect ng fingers and sponge. Wala naman ako nakikitang difference. So, yeah, so far, so good. Kasi BB cream naman siya, guys. I'm not expecting a full coverage from it. The BB cream feels very, very lightweight. So, yeah, so far, so good. I'm gonna finish my face muna and then I'll be right back. Okay, I'm done with my face, you guys. Super duper, nandito na naman si super duper. Bakit? Super simple lang. Yung ginamit ko na setting powder is the e.l.f. Translucent Powder para hindi maapektuhan yung coverage na binigay ng BB cream. Yung itatest na lang talaga natin is yung longevity and yung oil control. Kasi alam nyo na guys, grabe ako mag-oil up. Pero mag-update ako mamaya, you guys, kung kailangan ko na talaga kayong i-update. Wala akong orasan dito, so I'll flash the time right here. I will be back in a few hours siguro kung may difference na akong makikita. My lips oily na akong now. Ikaw na rin tanaw.
Medyo, okay.
Okay ra? Oily? Medyo oily na daw. Bitaw, medyo oily na akong diri. 4 hours naman sa good niya. BB cream ba yan, guys? So, after 4 hours, medyo oily na. Pero di man siya over na oil. Carry pa. Di ako nag-touch up. Kung BB cream, murag dali gid mag-oil up. Plus, oily pa jud ko. Yeah, okay pa naman siya. Carry pa naman. Hi guys, I'm back for my final update. Actually, I like the BB cream, you guys. Like, hindi siya tulad ng iWhite BB cream at Bello BB cream na super duper oily ko na at the end of the day. Kahit anong powder gamitin ko, super duper oily. Ito okay siya, guys. Tingnan nyo naman. As you can see, hindi ganun ka-over yung oil ko. Like, I'm kinda oily, pero yung oil ko, guys, minimal lang. Hindi ako nag-touch up kahit isang beses. Wala, as in, hindi rin ako nag-blot today. Actually, tinanong ko si my lads kanina kung maganda ba yung mukha ko or yung BB cream na suot ko. Sabi niya, okay daw. Super natural niya sa mukha, guys. Like, hindi mo mafe-feel na may makeup ka. Yun lang naman talaga yung concern ko, yung pag-oil up. Kasi alam niyo naman tayong mga oily girls, diba? Alam niyo na. Actually, mas gusto ko to kaysa sa Bello BB cream, to be honest. Mas gusto ko siya kasi hindi ako nag-oil up agad-agad. Considering na nasa mukha ko na to for, I think, 8 to 9 hours. Ganito lang na oil yung na-produce ng skin ko. It's very impressive na. It's worth trying out and it's made from Korea, you guys. So, I'm pretty sure it's good for the skin kasi sobrang ano sila sa skin, diba? So, I like it, you guys. You might want to try it out. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like this video if you found this review helpful, and for more reviews, like this video. And kung bago ka sa channel ko, don't forget to subscribe on my channel. And please, wag kang ma-discourage kasi naka-sleeveless ako. Kasi matutulog na ako mamaya. So wag kang ma-discourage. Mag-subscribe ka pa rin. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you soon.